Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to trade commodities on Libertex. So first you need to open the Libertex app. If you do not have, so you can simply download it from App Store and make sure you log into your account. Tap the Libertex over here, and if you do not have logged in yet, you can simply log in. And over here you need to find a commodity. You need to go to the markets on bottom left corner because see there's a market. Tap on that market and you'll get into this interface of the market. So what you have to do is you need to select commodities. You need to choose what you want to trade. Example, oil, gold. So over here we can see the popular instruments. You need to select what you want to trade. Tap on one of the instruments over here, and a trade panel opens showing current price, chart, fees. Libertex uses commission, and over here you need to choose a direction. You can either buy or sell on the bottom. Left and right we could see there's a sell in the left and the buy on the right. So you need to buy, price will go up, and if you sell it, price will go down. And over here you can simply select any of the sell or buy. As I'm going to tap on the sell, and over here we could see a multiplier, that is a leverage. You can either hire for the higher risk. By simply tapping on this multiplier, you can select any of this number over here, and after that you can tap on the sell on the bottom. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you have any problem trading commodities on Libertex, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.